I am Vashini studying 10th standard. Today I am going to speak about the nationalist movement. The Indian National Congress, founded in 1885, Alan Octavian Hume founded the Indian National Congress to voice their grievances. W.C. Banerjee was the first president of the Indian National Congress. Other eminent members were Dadabhai Naoroji, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and Dinshaw Wadia, and so on. The leaders of the INC decided to meet every year at the annual session to be held at different places. The partition of Bengal. In 1905, Lord Curzon partitioned Bengal, the biggest province of British India. The reason he gave was administrative convenience, but actually he wanted to disunite the educated and radical people of Bengal. He also played the card of divide and rule by dividing Bengal on the basis of religion. The split in the INC. The moderates were in favor of Swadeshi movement but refused to boycott British goods. As a result, there was a split in the INC in 1907. After the split, the INC was dominated by the moderates. However, the two groups reunited in 1916. The boycott movement and the Swadeshi movement. The Swadeshi movement inspired the Indians to use goods made in India. The Swadeshi movement was boosted by Swadeshi Melas. There were thousands of people visited to buy Indian goods and encourage indigenous industries. The boycott movement affected the British trade and industry, while the Swadeshi movement encouraged the local industry. The INC wholeheartedly support these two movements. The Morley-Minto reforms. Curzon was succeeded by Minto with John Morley as the Secretary of State in England.
Council Act of
Together they
1909
introduced
to
the
win back the
Morley-Minto
Indian
reforms, or the Indian Council. The Home Rule movement. In 1915 to 1916, two Home Rule leagues were started, one under the leadership of Lokmanya Tilak in Pune and other under Annie Besant in Madras. These two Home Rule leagues demanded self-rule or Home Rule in India after World War I. Both the INC and the Muslim League backed the Home Rule. This unity made the INC and the Muslim League signed the historic Lucknow Pact in December 1916. They decided to work together for a representative government in the country. The advent of Mahatma Gandhi. In between the war, Russia experienced the revolution of peasants and workers, which furthermore inspired the Indian freedom fighters. In these circumstances, Mahatma Gandhi emerged as national leader. In 1915, at the age of 46, Gandhiji arrived in India after successfully leading the racist movement in South Africa. He spent his first year in India traveling throughout the country, understanding the people and their problems. In 1917, he took up the cause of the indigo planters in Champaran, Bihar. The Rowlatt Act in 1919, it gave the British government enormous power to repress the political activities and allowed detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. The Khilafat movement in 1920 to 1921. Khilafat movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi and the Ali brothers Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali in response to the harsh treatment given to the Caliph of Ottoman Empire and the dismemberment of the Ottoman Empire by the Non-Cooperation Movement. The movement was known as Non-Cooperation Movement because Gandhiji asked people to boycott the British in every field. At Chauri Chaura, a procession of peasants led by Congress workers was fired and angry peasants attacked the police. Gandhiji immediately called off the movement. Civil Disobedience Movement and the Dandi March 1930. The Civil Disobedience Movement started with the famous Dandi March in 1930. Gandhiji and his 78 followers walked over 240 miles from Sabarmati to Dandi, a coastal area. The breaking of the salt law by Gandhiji was followed by the Civil Disobedience Movement. Partition of India. Partition was followed by cruel communal riots, one of the worst communal riots of the world. Millions of people were killed, displaced and lost their houses and properties. The pang of partition is still there even after so many years of partition. Partition also created a new nation named Pakistan. Finally, the Congress accepted the Mountbatten Plan, and in July 1947, the British Parliament passed the Indian Independence Act. On 14th August 1947, Pakistan was created, and on 15th August 1947, at the strike 12 at midnight, India hoisted the tricolour at Red Fort and entered a new era. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.